Okay. So look, when I pressed the switch, that was very easy. The light came on, and if
Yes,
you heat ice, it melts. Now,
melts.
Yes, sir.
children who attend small schools,
Generally get more individual attention.
exactly.
Attention.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So that is more logical, right?
Hmm.
That means your number three was wrong. Now, parents with overactive children all came from similar economic backgrounds, tend to need more sleep at night, re- reported that she had been successful. Because this is done. You see, if I don't cross out, what happens? You are confused. Now let me cross it out, and then you see your job becomes very easy. You have to compare only these three.
Sir, tend to need more sleep at night.
Exactly, because
Yes, sir.
whole day their children keep them so busy
Hmm.
because they are very overactive, right? So
Hmm.
Yes.
they are tired at the night, and they will need more sleep at night. So now we are left with two possible options and one question. And the question was number three. The respondents to the survey all came from
The
similar economic
Similar
backgrounds. Come on,
Yes, sir.
okay.
this is if you are carrying out some research, you generally qualify the respondents of your survey,
Mm-hmm.
like they belong to some geographical area, or they had some equal or different educational
Okay.
background or economic, that is the basic
Yes, sir.
requirement. So anyways, you know that was very easy for you to match these sentences just based on your journal knowledge, or you can say your logic, using some logic. But in IELTS test, you would be required to read the passage as well to answer the questions.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Now this is an exercise for you, in which again there are four sentences, incomplete sentences, and you have got six possible endings, A to F. Okay.
Yes,
Now
sir.
I want you guys to match this by reading the passage. I will tell you which part, just to save our time, to read to which part of the passage you need to read. But you see, other researchers have aimed to discover how. Now you
How
see,
Zico,
please note down this word, how. This is a connecting word.
how Zico's struggling to grip on it.
Okay, other researchers have aimed to discover how Jico's struggle to grip onto
Struck.
dry glass as well as wet glass.
Yes, sir.
Was this the study of other researchers, or this was the study of Stark's research? You can just check it from your passage if you have prints out with you. Or other researchers have aimed to discover the gripping
Oh,
mechanism, how gripping mechanism of Jico's actually work,
yes, sir.
right?
Yes.
Where it is
Yeah.
written?
Yes.
In paragraph A, maybe? Shall we check? Okay, let's check it. In paragraph A, it says a lot of GCO's studies look at the very small adhesive structures on their toes to understand. Now you see, to
Yes.
understand, and understand means to discover how, and this is how here. This is the linking word.
Yes, sir.
How the system works at the most basic level, and how the gripping mechanism, this is a system, of GCOs actually works. Fine. So one with B, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, the work of Stark and her team is different. Now this was in paragraph B, I guess, because they wanted to find out how. Now again, how?
Um,
How? Geckos struggle to grip onto dry surface as well as wet glass, or geckos have weaker gripping mechanism than previously thought, or geckos are able to grip in rainforest settings, or geckos are blah blah blah. Now, from this, you need to read paragraph B. You see, directly go to that paragraph. I hope you knew that it was paragraph B that compared Stark's work with previous studies.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now in that you would see there would be a sentence, and that sentence would say here, was curious to about how. Now you see this is another how
Yes, sir.
here. Doctor, please let me know once you're back.
PhD starts when you start. G.
Okay, B is already done.
Yes,
Now if
sir.
you see how the lizard cope up on surfaces in their natural habitat. And what is their natural habitat? In the first paragraph, it defines that they are equally happy in
Yes, sir.
rainforest
In
canopies as well as in urban settings. Do you remember
urban
that?
setting.
So that
Yes, sir.
rainforest is their natural habitat,
Yes, sir.
right? So
Right, sir.
geckos are able to grip in the how geckos. Now again, this how was the linking word.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's move forward and please read next question. Stark's experiments revealed that, okay, what was the result? Now you see what kind of word you can expect to describe a result of a finding.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me what kind of words, linking word you can expect?
So, like, sir, how
Like
that?
therefore,
Yes, sir.
as
Yes,
or
sir.
you can say as a conclusion.
Yes, sir.
Hence, these are used to describe some conclusion, some finding, result of something. Okay,
Okay,
so
sir.
now we have to tell the outcome of Stark's experiment. Which paragraph we should look for? Obviously,
Yeah.
the last paragraph. Why?
Please.
Because the last paragraph summarizes or tells the results of all the experiments,
Yes, sir.
right? Obviously, if there's a
Yes, sir.
discussion of different experiments, so in the last paragraph, you can expect to find the results of those experiments.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so in the last paragraph, if you would see, please check it from your notes. There's a word. Therefore, geckos can walk on wet surface as long as their feet are reasonably dry.
Yes, sir.
Okay, there's a sentence written in paragraph
Yes.
F. Sorry, in last paragraph. Therefore,
Yes,
now
sir.
this word therefore means it is result
Because
of
yes.
something. But what is the
Yes.
result? That geckos can walk on wet surfaces until such time
Yes, sir.
when their feet are dry. So
Yes, sir.
geckos struggle to grip onto dry glass? No. Geckos have a weaker gripping? No. Geckos are
Yes,
able
sir.
to recover? No. Geckos can grip more easily if their feet are not damp.
Yes, sir.
Not damp means dry. Damp means
Dry.
wet. Like nowadays,
Yes, sir.
everything is damp because it's monsoon season,
Yes, sir.
right? So everything is damp. But when we say it is not damp, it means it is dry, right? Doctor, welcome back.
Yeah.
So now,
Oh, sorry, sir.
as long as their feet are reasonably dry, this therefore is indicating the result. So we would go for F here.
Okay, sir.
All right. Now the researchers would still like to know when. Now this was, I guess, the last sentence in which this question was unanswered. Do you remember that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The researchers
Yes,
are
sir.
still keen to know or something.
Time
Yeah.
question.
So what they were keen, they wanted to know. They wanted to know that how much, when geckos are able to recover their gripping
Yes.
abilities after getting wet. If you remember, or if you see that last sentence, it says the team is keen to understand how long. Now you see what is the linking word here? How long?
Yes,
How long? Yes, sir.
How long, right? And this how long means when.
Okay, sir.
How long it takes geckos to recover from drenching means to recover from being wet.
Yes,
Once
sir.
they get wet, how much time it takes them to recover. So geckos,
Oh,
when geckos are able to recover, or after how long geckos are able to recover. This had got the same meaning.
okay, sir.
Geckos are able to recover their gripping abilities after getting wet. So you can take a screenshot if you want to take a screenshot of these answers, or you can just note it down on your notes. Shall I move on?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I guess we should conclude it here. Now, discursive passage, and I requested you guys to please read through one more paragraph or passage, and this was the passage I requested you guys. So we couldn't start this today, but I want you guys
Okay.
now to read it again, and I'm giving
Okay.
you one more assignment. Let me see if there's any other longer passage. You know, this saves our time. If you would have been reading this passage, Rico's passage, first time during class, trust me, it would not have been possible for you to understand 100%.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
So now I want you guys to read the passage on page number, sorry, on slide number 51.
Okay.
Okay, slide number 40, slide number 51. Because it's weekend, so let me make you study or read everything. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Shakil, please, doctor, you would share this assignment. Please read passage.
Okay.
Sorry, please,
The
you
40
will
and
write
51, sir.
something. Sorry.
The 40 and 51 page.
Yeah, slide number 40, then
Slide number 40 and
and 51.
Okay,
I
sir.
guess. Okay. Let me check it. Was it 40 or? Yeah, it was 40. Slide number 40, slide number 51, and these were from lecture 2. Now I would give you one more assignment from lecture 3. Okay? Because it's weekend, I want you guys not to enjoy your weekends.
yes, sir.
Okay? Because you don't allow me to enjoy my weeks, right? How would I allow you to enjoy a weekend? And also please, and now this is from lecture 3, the third document that I have given you, third PDF file, lecture 3 PDF file. In that,
Okay.
slide number 6, only one small paragraph is there. Slide number 9, and I guess there would be one more. Slide number 9, and then slide number 8.
Slide number 8, sir.
18, 1 8.
18.
Yeah. So
Okay.
can you
Okay.
summarize, Shakil? Can you summarize
Yes, sir.
which slides I told
Page
you?
number 40.
Mm-hmm.
Sir,
Slide number
page
40.
number 40.
Just no. Just say slide number
Uh,
40
Slide 40.
and
51 slide.
51,
from
6,
And
lecture
9,
slide
2.
6,
18.
reading 3.
Yeah.
And slide 9 and slide 18, sir.
18. These are
I'm reading 3.
from reading 3. Okay.
Reading 3,
So
sir.
yeah, doctor, I would be grateful if you could share it, please, just after the
Of
class,
course.
right? Thank you so much, and
Thank
hopefully
you, sir.
see you guys on Monday. Enjoy your weekend with reading.
Okay,
Take
sir.
care. Assalamu alaikum.
Thank you, sir.
God
Allah
bless.
Hafiz.
God bless.